What's up guys, this is Riley with Sherpa Equipment Company, and today I'm going to show you how to install our window panel onto your Sherpa roof rack. So the hardware you're going to come with is the window panel, 2 suction cups, a drop bracket, 2 spacers, 4 nylock nuts, 8 washers, 2 hex head bolts, and 2 socket button bolts. For this install, the tools you're going to need are 2 7/16 wrenches. We can't find another wrench right now, so we're using a ratchet and a socket, and a 5/32 Allen. Then some of your window panels are going to come with this little rubber puck on the back. If yours doesn't, it's not meant for it. We put these on here at the shop before we ship them out.
Go ahead and assemble it.
All right, once you got this all set up, you want to get the puck centered in the hole as you tighten these 2 nuts. All right, the next thing you want to do is grab your suction cup and slide it in here, and then you'll have to kind of shove it over, and then you want to put the spacer on the back side. And there, you're ready to install. Once you got both your suction cups on, you're gonna go ahead and take your Allen wrench and take your socket buttons out of the back 2 crossbars. Then before you pull out the socket buttons of this, we like to throw in a little microfiber and little thing we have around the shop to kind of space it so the crossbar doesn't drop onto your roof and scratch it. You might not have to do this on all of them, but since this one is hard mounted, we're gonna put a microfiber under here so when we take this socket button off, we don't scratch the paint of the car. Okay. All right, once you got the socket buttons out of the crossbars, you're gonna go ahead and just clean your window with some glass cleaner, and then after that, we like to do just a quick little dry run on it, make sure everything's gonna line up. The way we design these is to line up the holes with our rack and with the shape of the window. All right, so you're gonna use your existing socket buttons from your crossbars, and I like to get this one started first and then move on to the back one because the back one's a little bit more tricky, getting the side plate and the window panel lined up. And we leave these loose, and then you can kind of slide it over and get it lined up with our rack. And then check the fitment on your actual window. And then once you are happy with the fitment, you'll go ahead and tighten these back down. Once you got your crossbar socket buttons tightened down and you're happy with the fitment, you go ahead and just give these a little push down to make sure the suction cups kind of grab onto the window. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the last bolt and nut. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna put one in the back over here. And then you're going to want to grab the last one, and we're going to put it more towards the front. Then last step, you're just going to make sure all these are tight. Go ahead and check all of these. And then one thing we're going to mention is there is a handle back here that you can run our handle light in, but it will block it on some of the window panel and rack combos. And that's going to complete our install of our window panel to our rack. After a week or so, you're just going to want to go through, double check all your hardware on here, make sure everything's tight, and after that you should be good. If you have any questions or concerns, give us a call or email us, and we'll be happy to help you guys out. Thank you.